As with any task, ensure you are wearing appropriate footwear. Footwear should be appropriate for the conditions in which you are working and provide good stability for your feet and ankles, as well as slip-resistant sole to reduce the risk of slip-related injuries. Ensure if you are at a location which deems the use of safety toe, you have such shoes or boots on. Start by unclipping the latches on either side of the tractor, which are usually located between the wheel well and the bottom of the door. After the latches are undone, position yourself next to the wheel well. Maintain a staggered stance with bent knees and one foot in front of the other. Place your hands under the wheel well, keeping them close to your body. Begin the lift by shifting your weight forward and walk the hood open. Avoid lifting or utilizing only your arms during this maneuver. Working from the side of the tractor ensures a safe position in the event of equipment failure or wind gusts. If opening from the front, use the handle on the front center of the hood. Facing the tractor, assume a staggered stance with one foot in front of the other. Slowly pull the hood until it is completely open. An alternative method would be to place one foot on the front bumper while grasping the hood handle. Use a slow, steady pressure to pull the hood open. Do not yank or jerk during this process. Ensure any hood safety device is engaged before continuing any work. Avoid leaning backwards. Off-balance stances, one-arm pull, and twisted postures during hood opening. During your work, it is important to maintain a stable stance with a wide base of support, keeping your center of gravity within that base. This is called the power stance. To maintain a power stance, keep your feet shoulder width apart with one foot in front of the other. When working to open the hood from the front of the truck, ensure that you maintain your power stance and use proper body mechanics. When closing the hood, release any safety device if equipped. Approach the front of the hood with staggered stance with one foot in front of the other. With slightly bent knees and arms close to the body, push towards the hood using your legs and walk the hood until closed.